Hello guys, welcome to this video. This is Dr.M.MOORTHI working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Automobile Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So this is a lecture series of lean manufacturing. So in this video we are going to discuss about a topic called the principles of lean manufacturing. So in this previous lectures videos we have discussed about what is a lean manufacturing, and then what is conventional manufacturing, and then what are the basics elements of lean manufacturing. And these are the topics that we have discussed, and then based on that the information I'm just going with this next one is the principles of lean manufacturing. So in that lean manufacturing process we have a number of principles. So that is mainly with seeking the attainment of the perfection to improve the efficiency of the organization, and then overall production, and to value the customer feedback and the customer satisfaction. So these are the basics. The requirements is mainly closed with the lean manufacturing. And then in the lean manufacturing process it starts with the first principle as the value. So in that value we have to identify the what is the requirement or what is the demand of the customers from the customer perspective, and then taking the feedback from the customer with the survey, and then based on the feedback the survey the received from the customer, and then we have to identify what are the possible way to make the product in the possible manner. So that is the first principle with the lean manufacturing called value. And then second one is the value stream mapping. The value stream mapping is once the feedback is received from the customer, once the feedback received from the customer, and we have to make the brainstorming session among the employees of the organization, those who are closely with the R&D and the design, and then what is the demand of the customer, and what are the features of features that is to increase the value of the product, that need to be identified or segregating the requirements, and then we have to make the mapping process. So this mapping process will visualize the entire process, and this delivers value to the customer. And the next one is eliminating the waste. Once we are making the brainstorming session with the persons, and with that feedback we will identify the and remove what are the non-value activities with the process, and it is called as the wastage. And then by means of eliminating these wastage we can ensure the possibility of getting the process or product with a good manner, with a good aspiration what the customer is required. And then another is the wastage. So it will leads to the downtime of the industry, the process or the product or the entire things in the existing in the organization. So these waste are the defects, and then overproduction, and then waiting or not utilized talent with it may be either the employees or the process other times. Then transportation and the inventory. So the inventory leads to the huge the conception of the entire things in the organization. The next one is the motion, that is the wastage of the time, transportation, movement within the organization. Then extra processing. Once we are making the product with the defect, so we need to have the extra processing, that also leads to the wastage. Then another one is the flow of process. We have to identify the process with a smooth production, with minimizing the what are the possible bottlenecks in the process. And then the final things, And then and another one is the pull, which is the process that we have to implementing with the lean manufacturing is the pull type of process. This process will produce the product based on the customer demand and then the satisfaction of the customer. So that follows the customer demand, just in time process, then the compound system. So these are the value adding technique to the process. The next one is seeking the perfection. Once we are following the above four process in the perfect manner in the sequence of operations, and then continuous improvement with the Kaizen techniques, and then just in time process, and then we will get the perfection with the system. And then what are the key steps to be in the lean manufacturing implementation, the Gamba walks, and then the 5S methodology, value stream mapping. So these are the process or sequence of process steps involved in the lean manufacturing. By implementing these lean manufacturing techniques into the production or industry or the organization, we will get the maximum output from the work or production process, employees, and what are the things parameter that is associated with the process, that we will get the maximum output with the system. Thank you. And then another one is in that lean manufacturing is to plan for the perfection. And once the planning is over, and then next to implement the planning, and the next one is to check what are the changes. Once identified, the process will give the or to add the value to the process, and then to act accordingly what we have planned in the system. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.